Thinking about selling or transferring the ownership of your French company? The shares of an EURL can be transferred to a new individual or company, allowing the business to continue operating while ownership changes. At FrenchCo.Lawyer, our corporate lawyers and trained paralegals handle the entire share transfer process for you. We draft the share transfer agreement, prepare the required corporate decisions, manage the tax registration of the transfer, update the articles of association, and file the change with the commercial court registry. Once the procedure is completed, you receive the updated KBI's extract confirming the new shareholder and the official registration of the transfer. A properly structured share transfer ensures legal security, tax compliance, and full recognition by French authorities and business partners. Whether you are selling your company, restructuring ownership, or bringing in new partners, our team ensures the process is handled efficiently and in full compliance with French law. At FrenchCo.Lawyer, we make corporate transactions clear, secure, and professionally managed. Contact us today and let our lawyers handle the legal work so you can focus on your next business step in France.